Hi, my name's Ruth and I create embroidery that looks like this. If you'd like to see more pieces of work, do feel free to pop along to my website, ruthnorbury.com, and take a look at all the finished pieces. So today what I thought I'd do is show you how I'd like to use paper in my embroidery. So, you know these kind of dies that you can get on your die cutting machines, they're not just for cards. You can create all kinds of things with them. So I'm just going to show you how I use mine in a piece of my work. So these are Tim Holtz dies. It's not a sponsorship thing, it's just those are the ones I like. So these are some paper I've got, which I found a photo album in a charity shop. So I use the back of it, and it's nice sort of handmade paper. So I use that. So I dyed it with walnut ink. So I dyed the whole thing pale brown, and then I added little speckles all over the top to create this effect. So I'm just going to cut this shape out of the dyed paper. Hoping I've got enough room here now. Put the handle towards me, that'd be a more sensible plan, wouldn't it? Oops, it's a bit wonky. There we go. So just wind it through like normal. There we go. Oh, so wonkied it up, but it doesn't matter. So we'll just take this off here, and then we'll just slowly pop out all the little pieces stuck. Just use a pin or something like that just to help things along a little bit. So there we go. I haven't bothered cutting out all of it because, you know, it's just to show you. But then what I would do is find my scissors, which I've left behind, and just cut out little sections. Now I'm just doing this quickly to show you, but you don't want to leave these sort of straight lines, they'll look really obvious unless you're popping it up against the edge of something. But then you take a piece of work, and as you can see, it's one I've done before, and then you can just add them in wherever you see is appropriate and just stitch them in. So all I've done is some invisible thread, and I just stitch over, pin it into place, have a look, make sure it's exactly where you'd like it to be, and then just do little tiny stitches over the paper just to hold it in position. So thank you very much for watching. Again, if you'd like to see this piece when it's finished, do feel free to pop along to ruthnorbury.com, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.